once again today I am present with you with to another question number 8 and question number 9 with same chapter exponent and real number for the class 9. So let's start. In question number 8 we have to given this, means we can write 2 to the power minus x into 1 upon 2 to the power x equal 1 upon 4. This value has given to us. So, and with the help of this value we have to prove this value 1 upon 14 to 4 to the power x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5 to the power x equal to minus 1 equal 1 upon 2. We have to prove this value equal 1 upon 2. So let's start. We can write 2 to the power minus x into, take this value in the numerator part. When we will take this value in numerator part, then its sign will be changed. Here x is positive, but if you take it in numerator part, then its sign will be negative. You can write 2 to the power minus x equal 1 upon 2 to the power 2. Again we can write 2 to the power minus x because here base are same. If base of two exponents are same, then we can add those powers. So we can write like this 2 to the power minus 2. Again we can write 2 to the power minus 2x equal 2 to the power minus 2. Again here base are same, so we can compare. Comparing exponents from both sides. Here exponent is minus 2x and here minus 2. We can cut minus to minus and value of x will be 2 upon 2, that is 1. Now we have to prove this. So take this 1 upon 14 into equal 1 upon 2. We can, here value is x equal, here we can write putting x equal 1 in this part, in this question, and with the help of this value x equal 1 we can prove this value equal this. So we can write 1 upon 14 into 4 power x value 1, so we can write 1 whole power 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5 power 1 whole power minus 1 equal 1 upon 2. Again 1 upon 14 to 4, we can write 4 like 2 to the power 2 and whole power is 1 upon 2 plus, here if we take 5 in numerator part, then we can write 5 or minus 1 whole power minus 1. Again this is minus 1, so we can write 1 upon 2 1 upon 14, here exponent again exponent, so we will multiply this 2 power 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 5 power minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 equal 1 upon 2. We can write 1 upon 14 divided by 2 power 1 plus minus plus, so we can write 5 power 1 equal 1 upon 2. Again we can write 1 upon 14 into here 2 plus 5 equal 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 14 into 5 and 2 are 7 equal 1 upon 2. 7 to the 14. So here numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So we can write 1 upon 2 equal, again this is 1 upon 2. Same LHS equal RHS. We can write LHS equal RHS 2. This is our question. Again in this question we have to give it 2 to the power x plus y equal to 2 to the power x minus y equals 16, and value of a is given to us, and this 3 power p upon 3 power y equal 81. We have to given, and with the help of these values we have to prove this. So first of all, take this value. We can write take this value. We can write 2 e power x plus y upon 2 e power x minus y equal 16. So we can write, when we will take it in the numerator part, then its sign of exponent will be changed. We can write 2 e power x plus y into 2 e power x minus y. Its sign will be changed, equals 2 e power 4. 16. We can write 16 in the like to the 4. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Again, here base are same and we are multiplying this. We know when two exponents have same base, then we can add the exponents. So we can write 2 e power x plus y minus x minus plus y. Again, we can write here 2 e power 4. So here x is negative and here x is positive. So we can cut this. So 2 e power y and y, that is 2y, equal 2 e power 4. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. In the place of 16 we can write. Again, comparing here, comparing exponent so here exponent is 2y, here 4. So value of y equal 2. You can cut. So y equal 2. Again, here value of a is given to us. You know, a equal 2 e power 1 upon 10, and take this 3 power p upon 3 power y equal 81. Here base is 3, here base is 3. We can change it in the place of 3. So we can write 81 like 3 power 4, and take this value in the numerator part. So it will be 3 power p minus y, because when 3 power y will go in the numerator part, then its sign will be changed. So we can subtract the exponents. 3 power p minus y. Again, compare exponents. When we will compare the exponent, then we can write p minus y equal 4. Here we know value of y equal 2. So put here p minus 2 equal 4. So p equal 4 and take minus 2 in this side. Then its sign will be changed, that we can write 2. So p equal 6. So value of p equals 6, value of y equal this, and value of a equal. Now we will put all these values in this part, because we have to prove this value equal 2. So take LHS part. LHS. In LHS part we have given e power 2x plus y minus 3 upon e power minus 2x minus 2y plus 3p whole power minus 1. So we can write all these values. Here exponent is negative, denominator part have negative exponent. So when we will take it in the numerator part, then its sign will be changed. We can write e power 2x plus y minus p into e power minus 2x minus 2y plus 3p. Here both of these values have same base, so we can add the exponents. We can write e power 2x plus y minus p and minus 2x minus 2y plus 3p. So we can write a power. Here 2x is positive and here 2x is negative. So we can cut. So a power y and this is minus y, minus 2y. A power y minus 2y and this is minus p and this is 3p. A equal here 3p and it is minus p. When we subtract minus p from 3p, then we can find 2p, and we will subtract y from minus 2y, then we will find minus y. We can write now, putting value of a comma p comma y. Value of a equal 2 power 1 on 10 into value of 2 into value of p equal 6 minus value of y equal 2. We can write 2 power 1 upon 10, 2 6 is 12 minus 2. 2 power 1 upon 10 whole power 12 minus 2 equal 10. Here exponent again have an exponent. So we will multiply these. 2 power 1 upon 10 into 10. We can cut 10 from 10 to power 1, that is 2. And it is our RHS part. So this is RHS 2.